Disease is cured by this man. His name is Dr. Sabi, but you won't find a medical degree hanging from his wall. Instead, a certificate of healing.
We have complex things with science, but if we go back to God and use the herbs as God said, then you can see how simple it is. Then
Dr. Sabi believes what ails you can be cured with natural alkaline herbs and a vegetarian diet solely made up of what he calls electric foods, mushrooms, greens, and rye breads without starch.
Hippocrates established the principle of medical science by using herbs to cure diseases, then why the physician using the chemicals?
Mullein is known for helping with the releasing of mucus in the body. Mullein also helps with bacterial infections, inflammatory infections, and viral infections. Use mullein for arthritis, asthma, cold and flu, ear infections, hemorrhoids, seasonal allergies, and whooping cough. Dandelion root is known for its richness in antioxidants, which helps with free radicals from damaging your cells. Dandelion root is high in vitamin C, which boosts the immune system. It also reduces cholesterol levels as well as detoxifies the liver and promotes the stimulation of digestion. Cinnamon is a delicious spice with many healing properties. It is loaded with antioxidants and helps with inflammatory issues. Cinnamon is also an antiseptic, antiviral, and stimulant. Some studies even show cinnamon may play a role in lowering blood sugar in people with type 2 diabetes. Ginger root has a bit of spice, but it helps with easing a cold or flu, relieving nausea, relieving pain, reducing inflammation, and lowering your risk of cancer. Use ginger for arthritis, body aches, cold and flu symptoms, hangovers, inflammation, morning sickness, motion sickness, and vomiting. Cayenne pepper is an energy booster known to increase your metabolism to help with weight loss. It also helps with any kind of pain relief. I used a bit more than I usually do because I had a really bad sore throat and was not feeling well at all, but it tends to add a bit of spice to it, so if you don't want to use that much, then you don't have to. I'm now taking my spring water and I'm just going to pour about 2 cups into the tea kettle. You also want to make sure that you are using clean water and not tap water, because tap water has fluoride in it, which is not going to be good for your health at all. And then you're going to put your lid on the tea kettle and set it on the stove. And then you're going to turn your eye on to medium heat to bring it to a boil. Once I brought it to a boil, I reduced the heat some. As you can see, it's still steaming a little bit, well, a lot, but I just let it steep for at least 10 to 20 minutes. And then I take the lid off, check on it a little bit, see what it's doing in there, making sure all the herbs are getting steamed. And then I let it cool off a bit, and then I pour it into my cup because it's ready. Now you can choose to let the herbs steep a little more in the tea kettle, but kind of following your instincts on this. I use agave as my sweetener, but you can also use honey. I would recommend finding local honey near you because most store-bought honeys have high fructose corn syrup in them, and that's not good for you as well. I just love the aroma and taste of cinnamon, so I'm taking my cinnamon from the tea kettle and I'm placing it in my tea just to get a little more flavor. And that is it, y'all. My cold lasted for only a day, and I drank this tea twice a day for 2 days. I also ate my fruits and vegetables. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please remember to do your own research before getting into herbs, but also remember to realize that nature is our medicine. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I hope you have a blessed and prosperous day.